Welcome to the Epoint post tutorials. Hi there, we are going to learn recall function. Recall function is where we retrieve back orders from the table which is currently in use. How to get here? You may refer back my previous tutorial. Hit the recall button. There is a color indicator shows how long do table period in minutes being active from the first order until now. Table turn in gray color means the table is opened by other terminal. Current table number below show table has link with other table number. Which server is serving, head count for this table, roughly spending amount, last order, pickup, and the total time current status. Let's select one of table. You just did recall function for the table. There is another similar function called Recallview function. Here is the Recallview function button mapping. Hit the recall button. Let's select one of table. You are able to view the orders detail of this table. You just successfully use Recallview function. Enjoy learning. That's all for now. Be sure to check out with others tutorials. Remember to like, share and following us in Facebook. Thanks for watching.